Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Camaro. Stock number is A7506. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have blacked out alloy wheels wrapped with BF Goodrich tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Camaro on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.